Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, the channel where passion meets performance on two wheels. Today, we dive into one of the most talked about throwbacks in modern motorcycle engineering, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead. It's not just a tribute to history, but a reimagining of Harley's classic legacy in the language of 21st century craftsmanship. If you're a fan of vintage soul wrapped in modern metal, stay tuned. A legacy reborn. The Flathead engine first rolled out of Harley's factory in the 1920s, and it became a defining sound and style of American motorcycling. Fast forward to 2025, Harley-Davidson has introduced the 2025 Flathead, a limited production model that brings back the iconic Flathead styling, but with modern updates that make it rideable, reliable, and relevant. This model isn't just for collectors. It's for riders who appreciate where we've come from and where we're headed. Design, retro meets modern. Harley-Davidson has gone all in with the retro aesthetic. The bike features an unmistakably vintage silhouette, low-slung, with a rigid-style rear, peanut-style fuel tank, and Springer front forks. But don't be fooled, everything here is new under the hood. The frame is a lightweight steel alloy, subtly modified for better handling and to accommodate modern suspension and braking components. The leather-sprung seat, wide handlebars, and minimalist fenders give you the exact vibe of a 1930s road warrior, but the fit and finish are pure 2025. Paint schemes on the 2025 range from classic army green and matte black to deep burgundy with hand-painted pinstripes, each designed to evoke the golden age of Harley's dominance on American roads. The heart, a modern Flathead engine. Let's talk engine, the soul of any Harley. The 2025 Flathead is powered by a custom-built, air-cooled 114 cubic inch, 1868 cubic centimeters, Flathead V-twin. Yes, it's a Flathead configuration, just like the original, but this one has been re-engineered for performance and emission standards of today. Harley has worked with their custom division to build this engine from the ground up, maintaining the side valve layout but integrating electronic fuel injection, a modern ignition system, and internal oil cooling. The result? Around 80 horsepower and a torque curve that's fat and juicy from as low as 2000 RPM. This engine rumbles just right, low, throaty, and rich with character. It may not be the fastest V-twin on the market, but it delivers something better. Soul. Riding experience, built to cruise. On the road, the 2025 Flathead rides like a dream if your dream is to relive the 1930s with the comfort of 2025. The ride is plush, especially with the updated monoshock hidden under the seat, and Harley has fine-tuned the geometry to provide surprisingly good stability at highway speeds. The 6-speed transmission is smooth and geared for relaxed cruising. Paired with belt final drive, it's nearly maintenance-free and keeps things quiet and reliable. The 6-speed transmission is smooth and geared for relaxed cruising. Paired with belt final drive, it's nearly maintenance-free and keeps things quiet and reliable. Braking comes courtesy of dual discs up front and a single rear, complete with ABS, not something you'd find on the originals, but a welcome addition for safety. You also get modern rubber, providing much better grip and cornering than the vintage look might suggest. Technology integration, just enough. Harley has kept the tech to a minimum, in line with the retro vibe. You'll get a small, round digital analog hybrid display embedded in the tank console, giving you essentials like speed, fuel, and gear position. There's no touchscreen, no advanced ride modes, and honestly, it's better that way. A small Bluetooth module is hidden under the seat, allowing riders to pair with the Harley-Davidson app for maintenance alerts and ride tracking. That's about as high-tech as it gets, just enough to keep it practical for daily riders without cluttering the nostalgia. Customization potential. Like every Harley, the 2025 Flathead is born to be personalized. From custom exhausts to solo Springer seats, fishtail pipes, ape hangers, saddlebags, and vintage-style lights, the aftermarket is already preparing a full suite of bolt-on parts. And since this is a limited edition model, Harley is also offering a range of factory accessories, including serialized tank badges, vintage decals, and handcrafted grips and levers. If you're someone who likes their ride to be one of a kind, this bike gives you the perfect canvas. Pricing and availability. The 2025 B Flathead is being produced in limited numbers, with each unit individually numbered and authenticated. Pricing starts at around $28,000 US, depending on the paint and package you go for. Pre-orders have L.